In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Fortnite Chapter 7 crashing on my PS5. So this is what I did. I firstly actually had to exit the Fortnite game, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here, click on users and accounts here, and then scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. Now you're going to select Fortnite in here and then click on restore, as you can see. And then just simply wait a couple of seconds for it to actually restore. And now when you have done so, then the other thing that we need to do is to go back to the settings page right here. And then what you're going to do in here is to scroll down, click on system and click on system software, and then system software update and settings right here. And make sure that this one is up to date, because it's very important that it is. If it's not, just click on it and then click on update using internet and then update your PS5 to the latest version. And what you can also do is to go back into the game here, and then when you hover over the Fortnite game here, click on your options button on your PS5 here and then check for update. Make sure that you have the latest update. If you don't, it will say that you have a new update and you can install it in here, and hopefully that will be able to fix this for you.